Hi everyone and welcome back to the workshop. Right, moment of truth now. I have put an aluminium heatsink onto the big transistor. It's just a bit of old aluminium that, as you can see, I roughly cut. Bit of heatsink compound just to take the heat away. I've also just hot melt glued that to the case to keep it all together, and hopefully it will fit together. Maybe not. Well, that side does. Okay, all right. Obviously, still not brilliant. Okay. Right, it's together. It's the moment of truth, really. Actually, I will open it up a minute. I have been waiting a few days trying to look for a bit of aluminium, which I found a bit. And let's just, before I do that, let's just make sure there's no dead short. That could be embarrassing. Could make a good YouTube video, but could be embarrassing. Let's have a look. No short there. Let's hit the on. Okay, I've got about 50 ohms, which is probably the motor winding resistance. I'm quite happy. It's not going to smoke too much. It's me on off button. Right. Here goes nothing. Power supply. This. Okay, the motor spins. Right. Let's. I must admit, it's fairly loose on the shaft compared to some of the others that I've done. Okay, that seems to be spinning freely. Let's fire it up. Oh, I didn't think it was going to start then. Oh, we have got something. Let me just kill a few lights. Oh, right, yeah, it looks like. Let me just kill a few lights, see if we can. Get it out of angle a bit. Okay, I've got a time which doesn't seem to be synchronized, but we've got some wording scrolling at the bottom here. I think whoever done this hex, because it was a clock hex, has actually modified it for scrolling text, but hasn't bothered to resync the top half. Where is the camera? See if I can get. Can we get 90 degree on? I honestly do not know how this is going to come out in camera, because obviously the frame rate will affect this. No, couldn't say anything. Okay, I would say that is working, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what text this is. It was the Spring of Hope. It sounds like passages from a book. But the main thing is, this looks like this is operational. So obviously, our next step. Well, let's start programming it, see what we can do. And it'd be nice if we can work out a way to actually video this without the refresh. I don't know how you would do it, but I'll think on that. Okay, it's been successful. I'm quite surprised actually. I didn't expect it to be that successful. It probably means we're going to have a hell of a job on the programming. Hopefully not. But yeah, the next episodes are going to be the programming, I think, of this thing. See what we can make it do. Okay, many thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.